my bike and ran this bike. Going on a little ride. Can we listen to the pipes, Randy? This is the Cobra pipes. This thing sounds amazing. Oh yeah. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Going in a little ride, just a little loop with my friend Randy right there. And you guys just saw his bike. And you guys saw those pipes. Those are Cobra pipes. And I'm going to tell you, if you have his bike or his style of bikes, those pipes are amazing. Really amazing. Since he put them on, the bike sounds so fantastic. Anyways, I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out, obviously, but like I say, they're just fantastic. A little bit of traffic, just a little bit, but we're actually gonna take a route that he told me many months ago. When I initially got the bike, he was like, hey, you got to take this route. It's just beautiful, a lot of trees, you know, a lot of scenery. In a way, nothing crazy, but it's just a pretty nice route. So we're gonna take it. We just came out of work and we just want to do a little quick ride, nothing fancy, but we're gonna take this, just enjoy. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And so far it's just a gorgeous day, just gorgeous. It was supposed to rain and I saw it this morning, but to tell you the truth guys, I'm getting to a point now that I don't even care about this weather conditions. Unless it's like 80 and 90s, I really don't care, because so many times I see everything going on and I see the weather and I see 50s and 60s, and next thing I know, I bring my truck and I spend the whole day at work and not one drop of rain. So nowadays, unless it's looking really bad, I ride my bike to work. And I do enjoy that very much. Wow, so much traffic there. It's just so annoying. Finally, we kind of clear that traffic, and now we're gonna hit this back road back here. Should be fun. Or maybe not. We got a truck in front of us, and we got some police officer or police activity up there as well. Hopefully everybody's doing okay. So I was seeing a lot of videos online of people talking about why they ride the bike every day, or why they ride the bike to work and things like that. And you know, there's a lot of guys that only ride the bikes on the weekend and things like that, and I totally get that, because you know, you can't really compare a vehicle to a motorcycle. You really cannot. You know, a vehicle is more comfortable for most part. It really is. You know, like I got a truck, and obviously my truck is very comfortable to me. It sits kind of high, so you know, my back always feel good. Obviously you have your radio, You have your AC, even though I'm having AC issues in my truck right now as we're speaking. Again, you know, comparing a motorcycle to a vehicle, a lot of times it's not even comparable. You know, there's a lot of things that affect you here that it doesn't affect you in a vehicle, right? Like the weather, you know, it may rain, you get wet. It may get windy, you're gonna get wind in your face. You know, if something may happen, you don't have that protection. If you have a car accident, it's different than having a motorcycle accident, because obviously a motorcycle is, you know, you don't want to have a motorcycle accident, right? I don't have to explain it. I'm out here just outside, you know. A lot of times you have to prepare yourself for oncoming rides. So you may have things such as, you know, rain gear and safety equipment and things like that, right? So again, you know, having a car is obviously more comfortable and obviously more safe and things like that, right? But nevertheless, here we are. A lot of us find themselves riding a bike to work every day, riding a bike every day. Like, I jump in my bike every opportunity that I have, right? Almost every opportunity. And in fact, bikes are pretty, in my opinion, you know, this is my third bike, but in my opinion, they're pretty easy when it comes down to money, because obviously they're cheaper. Normally, they are cheaper than cars. You can find them at a better price, right? And, you know, it takes less gas, it takes less insurance, it takes less payments for the most part. Obviously, we know that Harley has some bikes that are $27,000. We ain't talking about that. I'm talking like a road king like this that I pay $6,500 for, and I could ride it every single day, and for the most part, I really don't have too many difficulties. Alright. Just point at me. Go like this. Oh yeah, this is pretty back here. Look at that. I'm pretty sure houses there are really expensive. Look at this back here. Wow. I've never been back here. So big shout out to my friend Randy for taking me back here. This is pretty. I guess we're taking a left. Alright. Oh wow. And here it is. So, like I say, a lot of times, wow, this is gorgeous. A lot of times we tend to, you know, do things such as driving a vehicle, a car, but you miss this out, because when you're riding a motorcycle, I mean, it's so much different. Like, this is so gorgeous, and I love that about a motorcycle, right? I love that about riding. I love that about just being in this motorcycle, that, man, I'm just riding through this. I mean, you really cannot feel the same thing I'm feeling with a car. You really can't. You know, you could be in your car driving, you know, it's great. I love it. The AC, comfortable, all that stuff. I love my truck. But you're not getting this feeling right here. This is not happening to you right now. This is gorgeous. Like, you could just, wow, suck it in and enjoy it. That's what I'm going to do right now. It amazes me, really does amazes me, God's creation. Sometimes I think to myself, wow, the good Lord created this. The good Lord took the time to make all this, everything from the trees to everything. I mean, it's just gorgeous, from the clouds, from the sky, it's just so amazing. The water, you know, the fish that live inside the water. Wow, it's beautiful. This is gorgeous, dude. After this, and here we are on the beach. This is Flagger Beach, if you're not aware. This is an amazing place, just amazing place. Me and my wife come here all the time. We're not really beach people, although we like to bring a little boy here to have a good time and play in the sand. But nevertheless, we like to eat, and there's a lot of places to eat around here. And it's just a beautiful place, and a place that you can have dinner and things like that. So, again, wish this car wouldn't be in front of me, but it is what it is. Oh, what are we doing here? Oh, that was the turtle. So this is the A1A, beautiful place. Like I say, just a beautiful beach, beautiful place to visit. And I really dig it, really love it. Love being so close to it as well. Man, nothing like having a truck in front of you to ruin the perfect ride. I think it was Hurricane Matthews a few years ago, and I'm going to tell you, just tore this place up. Really did. Just recently we started riding through here again, but it was really damaging to the city. I believe it was a couple $1 million, or many $1 million in damage. This place right here, Oceanside Beach Bar, that place is awesome. Me and Stacy love it there. I know, man.
We'll pass them on the bridge.
Oh yeah, when we turn there. You guys seen this bridge before? Yeah. This is gorgeous. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Like I said, you know, a lot of times it's easy to take the car, and no doubt, you know, riding my car is very comfortable and all that, but you know, a lot of times I like to ride my bike, and I tend to ride my bike a lot, you know. I wouldn't say daily, I don't want to say daily, but a lot. And the reason why I take it to work and things like that is because I love it. You know, being connected, being able to get in the bike, being able to get this wind all over me, being able to take a little ride, to me it relaxes me. To me it makes me happy. It truly makes me be a more joyful person. Like, it just brings joy into my life. I don't know how to explain it. A lot of times, you know, I talk to my wife is like, how do you like riding so much? I just don't know how to explain it, but it's a ton of fun in my opinion. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Put comments down below. Big shout out to Randy for coming in this little ride with me. And as always, God is in control.